Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Will It Voorhees. It's our second episode, and we thought we'd go ahead and do something simple. A lot of people don't know exactly where to get the official, spotted out chevron Jason mask, so they keep buying the cheaper, like 78 to a dollar version hockey mask. So today I will be getting this guy, which from Dollar Tree only cost $1. It's a Dollar Tree hockey mask that I got this past year, and I will be, you can tell some significant differences. So I will be turning this into a Jason Voorhees hockey mask. So, here comes the question, will it Voorhees?
Groovy. 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 Groovy.
My name is Ash, and I am a slave.
I'll swallow your soul!
Come get some.
I got news for you, pal. You ain't leading but two things right now. Jack and shit. And Jack left town. The 12 gauge double barrel, 12 gauge double barrel.
Groovy. Groovy. Groovy.
12 gauge double barrel, 12 gauge double barrel.
Groovy. 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 Groovy.
My name is Ash, and I am a slave.
I'll swallow your soul!
Come get some.
I got news for you, pal. You ain't leading but two things right now. Jack and shit. And Jack left town. The 12 gauge double barrel, 12 gauge double barrel.
Groovy. Groovy. Groovy.
12 gauge double barrel, 12 gauge double barrel.
Groovy. Groovy.
My name is Ash.
I got news for you, pal. You ain't leading but two things right now. Jack and shit. Jack left town.
Come get some. Groovy. 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 Groovy.
This is my boomstick! The 12-gauge double-barreled Remington, S-Mart's top of the line. You can find this in the sporting goods department. That's right, this sweet baby was made in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Retails for about $109.95. It's got a walnut stock, cobalt blue steel, and a hair trigger. The 12-gauge double-barreled
Groovy.
Alright, so there you go. I took a Dollar Tree hockey mask and turned it into kind of a bit of a slashed up, gory version of a Jason mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that tutorial. Like I said, if you got some other crazy items you think I should try to turn into a hockey mask or give it the Crystal Lake treatment, just comment down below. Remember, if you like what you watched, like, share, subscribe, comment, just talk to me. You know, I'm a good guy. So what do you guys think? You think it Voorhees? I think it Voorhees pretty well. So stay tuned to the next one.